Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically let Canva animate your presentation. So this is a pro feature. Go to the animate section here and you're going to select magic animate. So the recommended style for this slide is playful, so if you select that, it's going to animate it. You also have this bold one, this elegant one, this energetic one, professional, handmade, I really like that one, digital, grunge, and minimal, but the recommended style for this one is playful, so I'm going to select that. And I'm going to select the rest. I think it's just all the same, like playful style, but you can change it. For instance, for this one I want the handmade one, so I'm just going to select that one. I think it's for all, though I don't know if I can change that, but yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.